explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science treat, there's so much to know. Life aboard explorers, it's time to go.
I am looking for my son.
I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know. That's why I'm trying to find.
I do.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that. Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of something pink, it's bouncy, that looks like balloons.
Yeah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games.
Dory, do something.
Hey, stop it on. Can't catch me.
Swim away.
Peekaboo.
Watch out.
Like I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
Nemo! Why did you run by for a little bite? Oh, what I give for a little bite! Little clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce.
Dad, come on, Nemo. Shoot a squirt.
Welcome to the EAC.
Totally! But everybody's looking for you!
When your dad was like, whoa. And then he was like, whoa. And then he was like,
You're right, dude.
hey,
Watch this, offspring! Awesome!
Here comes Nemo. Yay, Nemo.
Come aboard, explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo! And all of them are out there for you.
And it's exactly 3.2 seconds between claps. Hey, where are you going? Starfish will turn our stomachs inside out. I can use your money.